Stoicism, a philosophical school that began in ancient Greece, has become more popular recently. Its teachings provide useful ideas and practical methods for dealing with life's difficulties wisely and resiliently. One field where Stoic principles can be especially useful is in managing personal finances. In today's video, we will discuss how you can apply Stoic principles to achieve financial freedom and improve your money management skills. By adopting Stoic beliefs, you can create a thoughtful financial strategy that matches your values and promotes peace of mind. If you like my content, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Before watching the video, let's understand what you can control. Stoicism emphasizes focusing on what is within our control and accepting what is not. When it comes to personal finance, this means recognizing that we can't control things like market changes or economic conditions, but we do have control over our financial choices and behaviors. By practicing virtues like moderation, rationality, and self-discipline, Stoicism helps us make smart decisions about budgeting, investing, and spending. It encourages us to prioritize long-term financial well-being over short-term satisfaction and to avoid excessive consumerism and lifestyle inflation. In this video, we will explore specific Stoic strategies for building emergency savings, managing risk, and dealing with market fluctuations calmly. We will also discuss how contentment can help us resist the urge to overspend and the importance of rationality in avoiding impulsive decisions. By incorporating Stoic principles into your financial journey, you can build inner strength, approach financial decisions thoughtfully, and ultimately reach greater financial independence. Now let's understand the true meaning of financial freedom from a Stoic perspective. Financial freedom is often misunderstood as having a lot of money or being free from money problems. However, from a Stoic perspective, real financial freedom goes beyond outside situations. It involves building inner strength and practicing self-discipline, aligning our money choices with our values and priorities. Similar to the teachings given to United States Marines in the MCTP 3E manual, Stoicism tells us that true wealth is being able to live by our own beliefs without being pressured by society. It urges us to value time and relationships more than material things, focusing on investments and spending that improve our lives rather than just owning more stuff. This approach can lead us to a genuine sense of financial freedom. Stoicism and financial freedom are closely linked concepts that offer a thoughtful way to handle your money with wisdom and composure. By understanding the core principles of Stoicism and applying them to your financial journey, you can attain true financial freedom and improve your money management skills. 1. Focusing on what you can control. A Stoic approach to budgeting, investing, and spending decisions. Stoicism encourages focusing on what you can control in life, including your finances. This involves disciplined budgeting, making informed investment decisions, and being mindful of your spending habits. By concentrating on these aspects of your financial journey, you can feel more empowered and purposeful in managing your money. 2. Striking a balance. The virtue of moderation in financial choices central to Stoic philosophy is the virtue of moderation, emphasizing the importance of avoiding excess and living within one's means. Applying this principle to personal finance involves embracing frugality, resisting the allure of unnecessary luxuries, and maintaining a balanced approach to wealth accumulation. By practicing moderation, you can uphold financial stability while nurturing a sense of contentment and self-discipline. 3. Preparing for the worst. Stoic strategies for building emergency funds and mitigating risk. Stoicism encourages proactive preparation for unforeseen challenges. And this mindset translates seamlessly into financial planning. Building an emergency fund aligned with Stoic principles involves acknowledging the inevitability of uncertainties and taking deliberate steps to mitigate potential risks. By cultivating resilience through strategic risk management, you can navigate financial adversities with composure and foresight. Living simply and building inner strength are important parts of adopting Stoic principles for lasting financial well-being. Stoicism reminds us of the value of being satisfied with ourselves instead of constantly chasing material possessions and trying to keep up with a lavish lifestyle. In our modern society, we are constantly bombarded with advertisements and societal pressures to accumulate more material possessions. However, Stoicism encourages us to detach ourselves from these external desires and find contentment in what we already have. By focusing on the present moment and appreciating the simple pleasures in life, we can overcome the urge for excessive consumerism. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future, not to amuse ourselves with either hopes or fears, but to rest satisfied with what we have, which is sufficient. For he that is so wants nothing. Seneca's Stoic philosophy teaches us that true wealth lies not in the accumulation of material possessions, but in our ability to live within our means and be satisfied with what we have. This doesn't mean that we should deprive ourselves of basic needs or never indulge in any luxuries, but rather that we should prioritize our financial decisions based on what truly adds value to our lives. Living modestly is not just about avoiding unnecessary expenses. It is also about building financial resilience. By consciously choosing to live below our means, we create a buffer that protects us during times of financial uncertainty or hardship. This buffer can take the form of an emergency fund, which provides a safety net when unexpected expenses arise or income streams are disrupted. Stoicism encourages us to prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. By embracing this mindset shift, we can take proactive steps to mitigate risk and build a solid foundation for long-term financial health. This may involve 1. Building an emergency fund. Setting aside a portion of our income each month to build an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and protect us from financial setbacks. This fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. 2. Seeking protective insurance. Stoicism teaches us to be prudent and prepared. By obtaining appropriate insurance coverage, such as health insurance, property insurance, or disability insurance, we can safeguard ourselves against unforeseen events that could potentially derail our financial stability. 3. Avoiding excessive debt. Living modestly also means avoiding unnecessary debt. Stoicism encourages us to evaluate our needs versus wants and make conscious decisions about taking on debt. By maintaining a healthy balance between our income and expenses, we can avoid falling into the trap of excessive debt. By cultivating inner resilience through contentment and living modestly, we not only strengthen our financial well-being, but also enhance our overall sense of peace and fulfillment. Stoic principles guide us towards a mindset that values what truly matters in life and enables us to navigate challenges with. Stoic philosophy provides helpful advice for managing market volatility and financial downturns with composure. By adopting Stoic principles, people can cultivate a resilient mindset that enables them to view market fluctuations as opportunities for progress and personal development. 1. Embracing adversity. Stoicism suggests that embracing challenges can lead to personal growth and development. Similarly, during financial downturns, having a Stoic mindset helps individuals see market fluctuations as a chance to build resilience and strength. 2. Developing emotional resilience. Stoicism highlights the importance of building emotional resilience when facing difficulties. Applied to financial downturns, this principle helps individuals approach market volatility calmly and logically, avoiding hasty decisions driven by fear or anxiety. 3. Learning from experience. Insights from successful entrepreneurs. Taking inspiration from successful entrepreneurs who have overcome challenges in their industries is another effective way to navigate financial downturns. For example, Daniel Gluck shares 4 lessons from building a successful company that survived tough times. These insights offer valuable guidance for individuals seeking stability amidst market volatility. 4. Practicing detachment. Stoicism encourages maintaining a mindset of detachment from external events and outcomes. This perspective helps individuals to stay calm and stable even during financial uncertainty, leading to better decision-making and long-term financial well-being. In essence, the Stoic approach to dealing with market volatility involves acknowledging the unpredictable nature of financial markets while focusing on maintaining inner peace and making rational decisions. By looking at market fluctuations through the lens of Stoic wisdom, individuals can turn challenges into opportunities for personal and financial growth. To deepen your understanding of trading psychology and learn from experienced traders, it's helpful to explore insightful trading quotes that delve into the psychological aspects of successful trading. These quotes provide valuable perspectives that align with Stoic philosophy in effectively navigating market volatility. The significance of being rational in building wealth cannot be emphasized enough. When managing our finances, it's vital to base decisions on logic and reason rather than emotions. Stoicism advises us to handle financial matters with a clear and rational mindset, helping us steer clear of impulsive actions that may harm our financial well-being. By applying Stoic principles to our financial choices, we can develop a mindset that values long-term stability and security over immediate gratification. Instead of giving in to consumerism and increasing our lifestyle expenses, we can concentrate on living within our means and saving for the future. This demands discipline and self-control, but the benefits are worthwhile. Stoicism also urges us to appreciate the concept of time wealth. Rather than pursuing material possessions, we should invest in experiences and relationships that offer genuine fulfillment. By prioritizing time over material wealth, we can focus on what truly matters and lead a more purposeful life. During times of market volatility or financial challenges, Stoic principles offer valuable guidance. Instead of panicking or making hasty decisions, Stoicism advises us to view these challenges as opportunities for growth and personal development. By staying composed and rational, we can make wise decisions that safeguard our financial well-being in the long term. Integrating Stoicism into our approach to personal finance can lead to increased financial freedom and peace of mind. By practicing rationality in our financial decisions, we can avoid impulsive actions and make choices that align with our long-term objectives. Therefore, take a moment to ponder your own financial journey and contemplate how Stoic principles could enrich your path to financial success.